Sira ang Sunday ko!
Mrs. May dagdag sa recipe nyo. Bayad na. Ang Joy, walang sabon na hahalo sa Sunday specialty mo. Luto Sunday, mas enjoy pag may joy.
Give joy away! Duracell lasts up to 6 times longer. So you save up to 104 pesos.
Wag mo siyang
Ay, you can get LBC Remit Express. Sino may kapabili ng ngayon? Diretso na ang pera sa LBC Set Swipe Card. Di makadaan sa LBC para mag-remit. Kaya na, isa po wherever you are. Lumabog na ngayon. May bagong solusyon. LBC Remit Express.
Me? Mag-endorse na emotional food.
Don't be scared.
Nakita ko ang lab results to prove that Pantene can give me unbeatable protection against hair fall. Swear
Lakas mo pa. Yan.
Don't be
the
scared.
skin on your entire body will also become dull and rough. So give it the same care you have on your face.
It's possible with Olay. Now the same amount of moisturizers found in a jar of Total Effects is in the new Olay Age Defying Body Wash, revealing younger-looking skin.
Open.
So family.
Kaya ang skin, younger looking all over.
Olay Age Defying Body Wash. Challenge what's possible.
Whisper now comes with a Move Aqua that gives you not one, not two, but 3 times cleaner dryer protection. So let nothing come between you and fun. Not even fun. Whisper, have a happy period.
Kailangan mo agad hindi pa ba? Dita, mag-downy ka. Quicker drying, sure mo. Di amoy kunog. The best 5 pesos I ever spent.
Tabas mo ba din?
Showdown na to. Diana at Kim.
Buhok ni Kim ay up to 2 times straighter. Dahil sa coconut oil and hot oil essence na nasa Rejoice Anti-Frizz. Hindi lang straight, Rejoice straight.
Sila naman ang magpapakitang gilas. Hataw na galaw, kaslaw na hataw.
Beatbox ko na iguana sounds.
Wala ka doon.
Tawag doon, iguana.